And we're back to CapCut. Let me show you how you can remove the audio from a clip. I've got this clip right here. And when I play it, you can see here the audio indicators, they roll. So it includes original audio. You can put it in the timeline and then mute the entire channel right here. But this is for the most part not what you really want. You want to take the audio out of the clip and then delete it, and you can do that by simply right clicking and using extract audio right here. So if I roll the clip, the audio indicators are green, I mute it and they vanish. So this is the audio from the original clip. Simply select it with a left click and then you can right click delete or use backspace. And now you've removed the included original audio from this clip. I hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.